Welcome to the Manage Organization page, the heart of your business. While SME Snapshot automates most of your insights, this section gives you hands-on control. Perfect for entrepreneurs, accountants, coaches, incubators, and franchise managers. The Manage Organization page offers a clear, centralized view to stay on top of key compliance requirements, track important business events or client deadlines, customize the dashboard to focus on what matters most per entity, per client, or across your entire group. Are you or your clients registered for VAT or sales tax, Social Security or payroll tax, workplace insurance or industry certifications? No worries, SME Snapshot Smart Alerts have you covered. Get reminders before every key deadline so you can avoid penalties, delays, or dropped balls. You can even set custom alerts. Never miss an anniversary again. Yes, we're serious. Haha. Here's a little power move. Customize your dashboard to suit your goals. Whether you're tracking net profit margins, inventory days, cash flow, or different metrics across branches or clients. You can choose which accounts to display and which to hide. Everything else still runs quietly in the background and can be reactivated anytime. This makes it easy to work with. Different business units, franchise networks, client accounts, or just your own streamlined view. Before wrapping up, double-check your business or client details, especially addresses and industry types. Then hit Save to lock it in. SME Snapshot helps you simplify numbers at every level, stay ahead of compliance, deliver growth insights with clarity, whether for one business or many. Need help or working with a team? Reach out to us anytime at team@smesnapshot.com